Good morning everyone, Brad from Prodigal Overland. Today we're taking the Jeep in to get the air suspension looked at. If you've watched the other video from Big Bend, when we got to Big Bend, the air suspension just went out. We had just one other time when it was giving us some problems. We're actually up in Pennsylvania in the winter and it was really cold. And when I got up and went into the car the first time, there was this message to check the air suspension. Often I've found with the Jeep, when you turn it off and let it sit for 15-20 minutes and it kind of resets the system, and when I did that I didn't have any issues. So that was like the only time that had happened. And then we get to Big Bend and it happens again, so I think, oh, I'll just let it reset. It happened to be a really cold morning, but unfortunately that didn't work. So today we're going to take it into the Jeep dealership and see what they say. There is the message: service air suspension immediately. It's saying I'm in off-road 2, which I'm not. When I go here to try to push down, absolutely nothing happens. So I am at this point kind of completely locked out. It kind of varies. Sometimes it'll give me a flashing Jeep symbol up in the corner, like it's trying to do something. But anyway, it's not doing anything at this point, doesn't know where it's at, so. Okay, so a little update. Yesterday, I dropped off the Jeep in Carlsbad at a dealership there. Let's see, they said it would be $155 just to look at it, do the diagnostics on it, and then I asked about, I did get, when we purchased the Jeep, I got the Mopar Extended Warranty plan, so I asked about that. And then she said if we had that, that it would, if they cover the repair, it should only be $100 deductible. So I didn't hear anything yesterday. Today's Tuesday, around lunchtime. I'm gonna give them a call here in a little bit and just see what kind of progress we have on the Jeep. Hopefully things are moving along well. So yeah, we'll go from there. I have a Jeep in there that's being worked on. I just wanted to get an update. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so they didn't find any leaks so far is what you're saying. Okay. Alright, but I should hear something later from you today. Okay, thank you ma'am, appreciate it. Bye. So what they said was they didn't find any leaks yesterday, and they recharged the system. From what I see, it's a nitrogen system is how the Quadra lift works. So they recharged it, and I think they're going to check for leaks today. So I'm supposed to hear something back a little bit later today. So hopefully that is true. Alright, so I did hear back from the Jeep dealership. What they told me is they did recharge the system yesterday. When they came in today, there were no error codes. They were able to raise and lower the Jeep without a problem. They took it for a test drive and there was no problems. They're going to hold it overnight just to give it another chance if there's a leak for that to show up. If there's no codes tomorrow and it's still working, it sounds like I'm going to be able to pick it up. So good news, I guess. I feel a little bit like used to see patients in the hospital that would come in with bad symptoms, something's not working, it just kind of mysteriously clears up. And good that it cleared up, but maybe not so good because you don't know why it happened in the first place. That's kind of what I'm feeling right now. Is it's good if it went away, but kind of wondering why I had the issues in the first place. So hopefully there'll be a little more answers tomorrow, but we'll just have to wait and see. after hearing nothing yesterday, which was Wednesday, I called the dealership this morning and they said they were just about to call me, coincidentally. Anyway, I now have it back. There it is. So what ended up happening was they just recharged the system. So again, it's a nitrogen system, supposed to be a closed system. They went ahead and kind of refilled it. Waited, let's see, I brought it in Monday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I picked it up. So 4 days. They recharged it on Monday, test drove it, tested it out. 4 days later, still no leaks, no warning codes or anything like that. So it's fixed. Let me show you what it's doing now. I definitely noticed that when I raise and lower the Jeep now, it is much quicker than it had been. So I'm thinking I probably have had an issue going on for quite a while, and where it was kind of running low on nitrogen, or I don't know, air in the system. And because now when I do it, it kind of perks up and down pretty quickly. So let's step inside the vehicle. Alright, here I am inside of the Trailhawk. As you can see, there is no warning system there. We are in off-road, no, normal park. So let's go up to off-road 1. It's heading up. Like I said, I can tell that it's raising much quicker. I mean, that was so much faster than I had been for a long time. And go up again. And it used to be louder. I could hear pumps working and stuff like that. It's very quiet, and it's just kind of going up. So yeah, looks great. All right, so there you have it. It's working for now. I want to give a big thank you to Tate Branch Auto Group in Carlsbad, New Mexico. They were really good to work with. So I do have the extended warranty on this. When I brought it in, they told me it was going to be, if the warranty covered it, that there would be a $100 deductible. My sense is because they couldn't actually find anything wrong with it. They were kind of in a conundrum as to what to do, but they ended up just recharging it, and they didn't charge me a thing. So big thank you to them. It was nice for them to look at it, to recharge the system, to hang on to it for a few days to make sure that everything was indeed working. And again, I came out of there with a zero balance. So that was huge, big help to us. Thank you so much. We are gonna head out to Las Cruces, New Mexico, here in just probably next week. There's some off-road trails there we're gonna hit up, so it's definitely gonna get a workout there. Hopefully everything goes really well. So that's all I have for you. So if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Stay tuned. Our next video is gonna be us out doing some more off-roading out at Las Cruces, New Mexico, hitting some trails up there. So stay tuned. Hopefully no more issues with the Trailhawk. But again, not so bad. Anyway, have a great day. Hit that thumbs up button, and we'll see you again real soon.